Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making some non-toxic pet-friendly weed killer. I found a recipe on Facebook, so I want to see if it works. I feed lots of birds in the garden, but they toss their seeds out of the tray and it takes root. We also have a cat and a dog, so we need obviously to protect them. So the recipe says that we need white vinegar, a spray bottle and fairy liquid. This spray bottle I bought at Pound Stretcher. It's 750ml and it's about £1.50. This spray bottle has a milliliters measure, so I've put 300 milliliters of white vinegar in and then 2 good squirts of fairy liquid. So let's give it a good shake. I've got lots of froth in there, and then we'll take it outside and spray the grass. This is the seed, and this is where it falls and where it's rooted, and I'm just fed up of picking it up, and then, you know, the areas that don't grow, it just brings in the slugs. The tall grasses that you see in the background, that's from a different seed. I'm not sure what, but it's from bird seed. If you do recognise it, please leave a comment. I love it. This is 3 days later, so I'm quite pleased. We do now need to look at the ingredients for pet safety. So washing up liquids, detergents contain a blend of surfactants. So there are certain names to look out for on the bottle. Detergents are apparently low toxicity. It says that problems can occur when any foam gets inhaled into the lungs, so then you need a vet. This is the Aldi's version of washing up liquid, also contains surfactants. At the end of the day, you're using this in your home too. It's about being careful and keeping your pets safe. On the screen now is the number for the animal poison line if you do have any concerns. So just use your own judgment and do what's best for you and your pets.